What if I told you that a historic shift is happening right now between Iran and Russia, shaking up global alliances and military strategies? Yes, the relationship between these two nations, once defined by a patron-client dynamic, has evolved into a strategic partnership with far-reaching consequences for the world. So buckle up, because in today's video, we are diving into this evolving geopolitical landscape and why it matters. Now let's start with a crucial turning point, 2022. Russia, increasingly isolated from the West due to its invasion of Ukraine, found itself in need of military support. And guess who stepped in? Iran, of all countries, started supplying military drones and even short-range ballistic missiles to Russia. This marked a complete reversal of roles. No longer was Iran just the recipient of Russia's military aid, it became a key supplier. Imagine this: Iran, once dependent on Russia for arms and military tech, is now establishing drone production facilities on Russian soil. We are talking thousands of Shahed combat drones being shipped from Tehran to Moscow. This shift isn't just about military cooperation, it's about Iran's newfound leverage in global conflicts and its growing influence in the Middle East. Before we dive deeper, if you are finding this content intriguing, do us a favor and hit that like button. It helps us bring more of these discussions to you. The Iran-Russia relationship goes beyond just military support. Iran has been helping Russia evade Western sanctions, showing the deepening ties between these two nations. This partnership extends to economic and technological cooperation, including Iran's access to advanced Russian military technologies like S-400 surface-to-air missile systems and even fighter jets. Iran isn't playing a small game anymore. It's gearing up for something much bigger. In 2023, Iran secured a deal to purchase Russian Su-35 fighter jets, a move that modernizes its aging fleet and boosts its military capabilities significantly. This isn't just about buying planes, it's about positioning Iran as a regional powerhouse capable of defending its interests both at home and abroad. But this story isn't only about Russia and Iran. It also has a third player, Turkey. Turkey is a crucial mediator, balancing its alliances between Russia, Iran, and the West. From brokering deals like the Black Sea Grain Initiative to importing Russian oil despite sanctions, Turkey plays a unique role in maintaining stability in the region while safeguarding its national interests. More on Turkey's balancing act in just a bit. The alliance between Iran and Russia is worrying for the US and Europe, as it challenges Western dominance in the region. The military technology Iran provides to Russia is seen as escalating conflicts, particularly in Ukraine, where Iranian drones have played a controversial role. And it's not just about the battlefield. This cooperation also threatens the security of US defense equipment worldwide. Europe shares the same concerns, especially about the transfer of weapons and technology that could destabilize not just the Middle East, but also parts of Europe. So what are they doing about it? Increased intelligence, economic sanctions, and diplomatic pressure are all part of Western response. But is it enough to slow down this growing alliance? Before we move forward, we want to know what you think. Drop your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Do you believe the West can curb this alliance, or is this partnership too strong to break? Turkey's role in this alliance is complex yet critical. While it maintains its NATO commitments, Turkey works closely with both Russia and Iran to manage regional issues like the Syrian conflict. Economically, Turkey acts as a vital hub for Russian oil and gas, which is crucial for its energy security. Despite sanctions, Turkey's trade with Russia continues to grow, and it's even helped re-export oil products, which tripled in 2023. On the military front, Turkey's purchase of Russia's S-400 missile defense system raised eyebrows in the West. This move shows that while Turkey is a NATO member, it's also keen on diversifying its military partnerships, even if that strains its relationship with the US. But here is the balancing act. Turkey also brokers peace initiatives and mediates conflicts, playing both sides to ensure its security and influence in the region. The evolving relationship between Iran, Russia, and Turkey is reshaping the geopolitical landscape with far-reaching impacts not just for these nations, but for global stability. As the world watches this alliance grow, the West is left grappling with how to respond militarily, economically, and diplomatically. That's all for today's video. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.